What we do to welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's currently Thursday and I have two pairs which I am currently interested in taking. And the first pair, so the first pair is US 100 and I am probably waiting for price to, so from the high time frame and follow the time frame, price have broken this major resistance. So I've been waiting for this pair for months now. I think since last year. And then we have finally gotten a break of this resistance. And I am waiting for price to give me my last confirmation, which is a sweeper this low, which I marked out as Asia BDC. Then potentially look for a reversal from discounts, then to my targets, which is all-time high. So like this type of price I'm waiting for. So it's currently 5 minutes to equities open by 3:30. So it's currently 3:25 p.m. So in the next 5 minutes, I think we're going to see where Pride wants to head towards. So if it gives me the entry confirmation, then I'll take this trade. Second pair I'm looking at is Euro GBP, but I think this is gone already. It didn't give me that confirmation, which I want, and it's already tanking. So I'll just keep a sales on Euro GBP, and I'm not getting my entry confirmation, so I don't think I'll take it straight unless something happens in the next 2 hours, because once it's 5 p.m., I'm done trading for today and I'll be up to tracks. So let's see what happens in the next pattern for US 100. So I took my first trade on Tuesday, which was Euro CAD, and that ended up in a win. So I did not have, there was no light for me to record using my PC, so I used my phone to screen record when I cut a trade and when price went to my tip bucket. It was a very, very fast trade, which was kind of surprising. But then with the price action we're having in January, it was not really surprising. So it took about 3 hours for price to get to my TP. And I'm a swing trader. I'm usually, my trade takes hours or days before it gets to my take profit level. So that was a fast trade, and that was the only trade I took on Tuesday, and that's the only trade I've taken for this week so far. So let's see if I get an entry confirmation on US 100 or Euro GBP in the next 2 hours, and I'll take a trade. So this, I'm about to enter this trade on Euro GBP. Price later came back up and then swept my point of view, the point of interest. So this is like my entry criteria. After the sweep of Asia high or low, then I wait for a 1 hour reversal candle, which is what's just happened now. And so I'm about to execute this trade right now. It's already 6 o'clock though, so this was the last 1 hour candle which I was waiting for. And if I didn't get this price action now, I would definitely not enter this trade. So I just want to calculate my lot size now and then execute. So I have a fixed risk reward ratio of 1:3. So which is this. So this is how we position this trade. Going at the entry. So normally I enter at 0.75 level. So something like this. And then this would be my stop loss, the height of this candle, and then I take profit to be 0 of this fib to then, but since price is currently at this point here, slightly above my entry, then I'll execute at market price and then place my stop loss above this. So like this. So this is going to be my position, and then if price goes back to my stop loss, then I'll accept this loss, because it's going to invalidate my trade. Because once price gets back above this supports, so this is support. Once price gets back above this supports, then my trade idea is invalidated and I have to wait for more price action. So let me just calculate my lot size and execute right now. So I have entered the trade, and for the other play which I was interested in, which was Nasdaq US 100, I did not enter because this was the level which I was looking for a reversal from, but then price just came on tanking. So I didn't get that. After this week of Asia low, I didn't get the reversal which I was waiting for. And so that made me sit on the sidelines, and then price invalidated this whole idea by dropping back below the resistance. So I think that was out for that. And there's one more trade which I'm interested in for tomorrow, but it all depends on how price close today, which is AOJPY. So this is my point of interest in AOJPY. And if price close like this, is this a double bottom? If price can give a daily close below this support, then I'll be interested in entering this trade tomorrow. But I do not like the fact that prices keep going like this, moving this way. So I'd like to see price close somewhere deeper into this distributional zone. But let's see how price, I think this is just 6 o'clock. So from now to 11 p.m., when we get the daily close, then that's when I'm interested and know if I'll take this trade tomorrow on AOJPY. Then also BTC. This guy just came to my point of interest, which is currently below this, slightly below this level of support. I think it gives a close below the support, then I'll enter Bitcoin trade tomorrow. Although tomorrow is Friday, I do not want to over risk on Friday, so I'll try to decide which trade I'll take in tomorrow. So the invalidation for Bitcoin is if price goes back above the supports, this daily level of supports, that's when I will no longer be interested in taking Bitcoin trades. So I'm waiting for daily close on Bitcoin, and also I'll see how Asian session moves tomorrow, and then I'll know if I'm going to take this trade tomorrow on Bitcoin. As for US 100, I am no longer interested in it for this week because price is currently, if price closes like this, then I think it's going to take a while before price gets back. So I have to wait for price to get back above this resistance on US 100 before I take any trade again. So till price gets back above the resistance, which I don't know when that's going to happen. So I'll just move it here. So I'm currently in EG trade, EURGBP. So let's see how this plays out from now till tomorrow. That trade ended up hitting my stop loss, and I'm done for the week. It's currently Friday and there's no other trade. I could not get an opportunity to enter on Bitcoin, and I think I might still get an opportunity next week. So for this week, I took only 2 trades, Eurocard and EURGBP. Eurocard gave me a profit of 3R, EURGBP minus 1R. So it's a profitable week overall. And for the month of January, I am down 1R. So it ended up being an unprofitable month for me for January. But then still very positive because I took only 5 trades in total. Lost 4, or won only 1, and I'm still down just a single % for this month, which entails the power of risk management. So come again next week, do my thing, come again next month, and I hope next month is going to be a very profitable month, and I have a lot of opportunities I'm quite seeing in the markets. So the markets are currently unsettling, there's a lot of crazy price action happening in the market. Like for instance, today gold and silver. Gold, for instance, is down thousands of pips, down about 9%. Silver is down a whole lot more for just today, this is the first time I've never seen price action like that in my whole entire time of being in the financial markets. It has never happened before. So it's a very crazy and volatile month. And I'm still expecting more volatility by next week. But then I'll still manage my risk. And if I get a setup, I'll take my setup. And risk management is very, very important when it comes to trading. And then also managing your own self psychologically and then physically is very important, because I would have taken at least 15 trades this month. I missed out on about 7 trades that went my direction, but I did not get that last confirmation I always wait for, which is why I didn't take them. I missed out on some other trades which I would have loved to take, but then it is what it is. So this month, me taking only 5 trades this month, it's a miracle. Coming like last year, if I was still in this same situation last year, I would have taken at least 15 trades. I knew myself, but then I know how to like manage my emotions now. I know how to like keep myself in check, and which I think is very good for me. Moving like in the long run, it's like very healthy. Me not breaking my rules this month was like very good, and then I hope to build on this moving on this year, and then let's see how it goes. So please do also like and subscribe. See you all next week, and I hope it's going to be a profitable month.